Welcome guys. So the previous video I dropped about liquidity, I explained for you the two type of liquidity, which are the transactional liquidity, which is used for correction, and then the structural liquidity, which is used for continuation. So today we are going to be doing something different. I'm going to be showing you the how the liquidity look like on the chart. Okay, I'm going to see how it's playing out, exactly how it's supposed to play out, and to show you, I'm going to show you one or two examples why. I'll give you an assignment to go and look out for those structure in your chart. If you trade crypto, options, currency pairs, synthetic indices, okay, I'll give you an assignment to go and look out for those structure, and you could go to the link on my bio. My telegram is there. You can easily send me your assignment if you do it on my telegram, so that I can see whether you are really learning what I'm showing you or not. So let's dive into this video. And if you are first timer watching this video, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to use the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, and don't forget to like, share, and comment in the comment section, guys. It's really important. Okay. And now let me show you this liquidity. Okay. Now this might be a bit confusing because it might be your first time, but if you understand the advanced market structure, where I give you a structure for a buy, alright, structure for a buy is something like this. Sorry, you have a structure for a buy, alright. Before I show you on chart, let me show you here. You have a structure for a sell, which is this. You have to see something like this. Okay, you see something like this, alright. On your chart, always this always form on the chart. Okay, and then price come back here and take it out, smash your target. Now this is your protected high. Okay, you call it protected high, right? This is your structural liquidity. This is your structural liquidity. If you are just watching this video, I want you to watch the first part of the part one of this liquidity to understand better. And this is your transactional liquidity. Okay, and then this is your POI. In my next video, I'm going to be explaining what POI is, which is point of interest. Okay, so this is your transactional liquidity used for correction. This is your protected high. The protected high simply means this is where the price need to get to, or this whole zone, okay, is protected. So price don't need to cross this zone before it starts selling. Price will sell from this zone. Sometimes price will just wake it out because this is also liquidity. Okay, price will just wake it out and then start moving. But this is your protected high. It is called protected high. And here is called structural liquidity. This place is called structural liquidity. For continuation, this liquidity must be taken out by this and continue to the opposite direction. So it is called transactional structural liquidity for continuation. And this is what you see in your buy. The same thing you're going to see when you want to sell. Okay, so this is the structure for a sell. Alright, you have something like this. Mm, something like this. Mm, mm, mm. The price coming here to take out the liquidity and continue to the direction. So this is it. You have something like this. So this is your structural liquidity. Right. This is a protected low. For a sell, we have protected high. For a buy, we have protected low. Understood? Yep. So that is it. For a sell, we have protected high. For a low, for a buy, we have protected low. And then this is your transactional liquidity. Right. This point is your transactional liquidity for a buy. This is your structural liquidity for a buy. The price will need to move and come back and take this out before buying to its opposite direction. Okay, so that's are the two things about the structural liquidity and the transactional liquidity, right? I believe you get this clear. Okay, so now let's go to the chart and then let me show you this structure for a cell. Let me show you a structure for a cell real quick. Okay, now you can do this on any time frame, whether 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minutes. Okay, if you look closely, you're going to see something. You're going to see this same structure. This type of structure we have. Okay, sweep, protected low, 50% retracement, price move to the opposite direction, price coming back to the zone, take out the liquidity and go in the opposite direction. So this is it. First of all, we have our sweep of structure, break of sweep, our first sweep, which is the transactional liquidity. Okay, and then we have our structural, we have our protected high. Okay, so you need to open your eyes before you see this, and once you see it, you can never unsee it. And then we have structural liquidity. Okay, you can see from the rules of the advanced market structure, these rules are met. This is our first break of structure, and then this is our second break of structure. All right, this is our second break of structure. All right, and then this is our POI. You can see our points of interest where price will come into the zone and then sell off. Okay, now you see that after price give these our five rules of the advanced market structure. The sweep protected at the opposite direction, structural liquidity, price come back here and then it sold. You can see price come back and sold and then smashes TP, right? This is our target. What did price do? Price sold and smash TP. So your stop loss will always be above, slightly above this protected high. Then your stop loss should always be. You will see price come back and smash the TP. Alright. This is what happens every time in the market. This is what happens every time. Alright. If we can find another example, or maybe we go see something, maybe we go see something again. Alright. Now, this is also another one. Alright. This is also another one, but this is a bit off. This is a bit okay. Yes, this is another one. You will see that anytime price gives you this structure, it's always going to respect it. Alright. Anytime price gives you this structure, it's always going to you see that it's always going to respect it. So you use multiple time frame. I'm going to be explaining time frame for you guys. Alright. For now I wanted to understand the concept of this advanced market structure. Okay, if you open your eye very well, you'll see that we have something like this. And good win rate, I don't trade B plus setup. And for that reason, I'm not going to be explaining B plus setup in this class. Okay, so if you open your eye very well, you'll see that we have another sweep of liquidity here. Okay, this is a 15 minutes time frame. There's a sweep of liquidity here. Alright. Once the structure meets the five rules of the advanced market structure, that is why I emphasize on watching that first part. If you watch that first part, you're not going to be having any challenge here. Okay, we have our first sweep, then we have protected high here, and then we have our structural liquidity here, which is a 50% retracement. Our structural liquidity that gave us our 50% retracement. Okay, and you can see clearly that this is our first break, and this is our second break of structure. This is our second break of structure. Alright, you can see this, and then this is our POI. The POI is always from the first sweep to your structural liquidity. Right, and then you see that price weak it out a little bit. Okay, like I said, once you see this pattern in the market, price will always respect it. Price will always respect it. You can see did you do? After taking out the structural, after all the movement, after all this movement, okay, price still wait to take out the structural liquidity and move to the opposite direction. Okay, you can see that it smashes TP, smashes our full target. Okay, smashes our full target. So while you're on this trade, you see another continuation setup. Okay, you still take it and you see that's how you keep making money in the market. But first, you have to understand the five rules of the advanced market structure. This is why the first video is very, very important. So these are the example for these are the example for the sell. Okay, these are the example for the sell. You can also get more example the for the buy. Okay, let me look for more chart. Let me look for a chart where I can see example for a buy structure. Okay, let me see if I can see a buy structure here. Because once you see this pattern in the market, once you identify this pattern in the market, you will see that you begin to win more in your trading than you lose. Okay, so now let's check. Let's check because it's always very very clear. It's always very very clear. It's easy to identify, and once you identify it, that's all you need. Okay, so after you've understand this, there's a need for you to also understand the concept of top-down analysis. Okay, the concept of top-down analysis. So you can see if you look very well on the 30 minutes time frame, you will see that we have a structure here. Okay, we have a structure here. Okay, what I saying? We have our first, we have our protected low here. Remember for a buy, sorry. Remember for the buy we always have protected low. While for the sell we have protected high. Okay. Now this is the 30 minutes time frame. Protected low here, we have a protected low here. Okay. And then this is our 50% retracement to give us our structural liquidity. And also we have what this is our first sweep, which is transactional liquidity. Okay. This is our transactional liquidity. This is the tiny liquidity that is here. Yeah. Let me expand it so you can see very well. These are liquidity. That is here. Yes. These are liquidity that is there. It meets our first rule. Okay. We have first break of structure. Okay. Sweep. This is our first liquidity. It has been sweep. Okay. To the opposite direction. My price give us our 50% retracement and break another structure, which is this is the first break of structure. This is the second break of structure. Okay, here right here. And then what did price do? Price move. After all those movements, price come back, take out this structural liquidity. Structural liquidity is always used for what? For continuation. After price take out the structural liquidity, okay, it continue to the opposite direction. I believe you can see this very, very clear. It is very, very clear. Now, compare these two chart patterns together. Now, this is the pattern. This is the pattern for a buy. You have something like this. Like this, like this. And then price come back to this zone. Take out the liquidity. And then what does it do? It continues to the opposite direction. That is just it. That is just it. That is just it. Alright. So is very simple. That is why you have to have a very simple trading system. Because the more simple it is, you see that the more money you make. You don't have to fool your trading with lot of indicators. I don't say that indicator is not good, but if you want to understand, if you want to enjoy trading, make the system to be simple. Make it very simple by yourself. So you have to watch this video over and over again for you to get a clearer explanation of what I'm saying. Okay. So this is it. This is it guys. This is it, guys. This is the structure. Alright, this is the structure. And this is the same thing you're seeing here. Alright. This is the same thing you're seeing here. I don't know how else I will explain it for you, but I believe this is simple enough. Understand the five rules of the advanced market structure, and your problem is solved. Okay, understand the five rules of the advanced market structure, and that is all you need. All right, you see that price came into this POI. After price came into this POI, what does it do? It takes it out, and then it moves to the opposite direction. After moving to the opposite direction, it matches, it's not just moving alone, but after taking out liquidity, price will have to go to the direction. Okay, see, this is our target, and what they do is smashes TP. This pattern appear every time in the market. So understand the five rules of the advanced market structure. Understand this structural liquidity, transactional liquidity. Okay, and this is all you need. After this, I'm going in the next class. I'm going to be explaining POI, and after POI, we have more and more things to do, which is like supply and demand, when you should take your trade and when you shouldn't take the trade, and all of that. Okay, these are the most important part of the advanced market structure. I believe you learned something from this video, and if you're watching to this video, comment in the comment section what you learned from this video, what you think about this video, and I'm going to see you on the inside. Peace out, guys. Make sure you learn and trade with caution. All right, I'll see you on another one.